Have you ever dreamed of exploring the vibrant and culturally rich nation of Portugal but worried about breaking the bank? Well, worry no more. In this video, we will be sharing some useful tips and tricks to help you visit Portugal on a budget. But there's a catch. We will not be using any of the commonly suggested money-saving tips. Instead, we will share some unique and unexpected ways to save money and make your trip to Portugal both affordable and unforgettable. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. First up, ditch the guidebooks and travel like a local. Sure, guidebooks are great for getting an overview of the country and its culture, but they often lead you to overpriced tourist traps. Instead, try to explore the local way. Ask the locals where to go, what to eat, and how to save money. Not only will you save money, but you will also get a more authentic experience. Next, don't just visit the famous tourist destinations. Portugal is full of hidden gems, and many of them are completely free to explore. Try to seek out the less crowded, off-the-beaten-path attractions, such as local markets, small museums, and lesser-known hiking trails. Another unique way to save money is by volunteering. Volunteering opportunities in Portugal are abundant, and they often provide free food and accommodation. So, if you're on a tight budget, consider spending some time volunteering and giving back to the local community. Now, onto the food. Portugal is known for its delicious and affordable cuisine, but we have a unique suggestion to make it even cheaper. Instead of eating out or buying groceries, try to attend a Portuguese family's dinner. Many families in Portugal open their doors to visitors, offering a homemade meal and a unique cultural experience. Not only will you save money, but you will also make new friends and get a glimpse into the local lifestyle. Finally, try to learn a few Portuguese phrases. Not only will this help you communicate better, but it will also save you money. Many locals offer discounts or better prices to visitors who try to speak their language. So there you have it. 5 unique ways to save money and make the most out of your trip to Portugal. We hope that these tips will inspire you to travel more, experience more, and spend less. Happy travels!